In today's video, we'll be making delicious pineapple fish. First, get your fish scaled, washed, and seasoned. Next, we move on to the sauce. We're making sweet and sour sauce. Add your ketchup powder and your seasonings. Then we're adding mushroom sauce to give it the color. Next, we're adding some ketchup. And we're using Island Spice sweet and sour sauce. Add some vinegar, white vinegar, that's it, that is. Add some lime juice. Next, you're gonna add some sugar to the mixture and stir. Your sweet peppers and onions goes in next. Next, we're adding some grated ginger. Give it that spice, that good taste. Next, we're adding some pineapple ginger syrup to top it all off, and we're going to stir. And now for the frying of the fish, get your oil real hot. While your oil is heating, you're gonna peel and cut your pineapples if you haven't done it already. We're going to reserve the pineapple peelings to add to the sauce to boil with the sauce. Once our oil is hot, we're going to add some flour and start frying our fish. I'm going to fry both sides until they're golden brown. You can cover the pot so it steams better. Next, we're adding some pineapple chunks with pineapple peelings to the sauce mixture. Next, we're going to pour our sauce mixture into a baking tin, place our fish in, and we're going to bake or keep it in the oven for a few minutes.